Good morning, all Atmas. Today, under Atma Siddhi Yoga, we are going to see step 2, body cleansing. How to cleanse negativity in the cells and improve immunity power in physical body. See, our body is made of cells, which are generated in the womb of a mother when the sperm and eggs are joined together, and when the mother is said to conceive. At that time, these two eggs and sperm together, they react and start generating the cells. And at that time, the generation of cells will be several lakhs. And they join together in 9 months' time. They form into a full shape of a human body. And after that, it comes out. After 20 years, this is the natural process. From 0 to 20, that is when the time when it forms in the womb to the age of 20, the generation of cells is more than a disintegration. So that's why our physical body grows. From the womb till the 20 years, our size of body grows, our intellectual power grows. That's why this is called Brahmacharya Parva. From 20 to 40, this is the stage of Grihasthashrama. We enter into this stage where the body size is restricted, then our intellectual power, what you are gained in the Brahmacharya, that you are going to put to use. This is the Grihasthashrama. We enter into life. Here, the generation of cell and disintegration of cell are equal. What is disintegration? Because when the generation of cells takes place, there also takes the disintegration of cells. Right from the womb. But in the beginning stage, the degeneration of cells is less. That's why the generation, since it is more, it grows. But after 20, it's said that generation and disintegration are equal, so it is standard. But after 40, the generation of cell is less than disintegration. That's why our beard grows grey and our skin starts degenerating. 40 to 60, the degeneration is more than disintegration, but it's a gradual level. But after 60, the wrinkle starts in our physical body and the disease starts to coming out. So from 60 to 100, this is the normal human body, human nature's life, where if a person without disease remains, he naturally, his body gets depreciated, and by the age of 100, the Atma feels this body is not fit to carry on its further duties and it lives on its own. This is the natural process. But what is happening in the current day tension world? 0 to 20, once it is growing, but during this period, because of these gadgets and all these things, man is putting his mind in a negative way, because of which he is not gaining the needed intellectual energy, or is not putting it fully. The result, when he is not able to succeed in the educational, not only educational and spiritual knowledge also, how to face the situation in life, how to remain calm, cool, collective, all these things has to form part of our Brahmacharya. If that is not there, automatically when he enters family life, he is unable to face the tensions and pressures. This eats away his energy faster and the deterioration started more faster. So that's why now within 30 years we are getting disease, the diabetes, chronic problem like heart problem, all this starts going. And before 40 years, he start the chronic disease aggravates, and he dies between 60 to 70 because of the disease. So most of the people today are dying because of some kind of chronic disease or other. This is mainly because we are unable to face the tensions and pressures which has been built by our mind. So we are going to see each steps. First, the degeneration of cells that has taken place in physical body, and how it affects the energy levels, and how the mind is responsible for this. So each and every stage we have to cleanse, so that we can keep everything in synchronized. All these 5 kosas should be synchronized and kept in a perfect control, so that the immunity power is strong. So now we are going to see how this immunity power in the cells has to be increased. The cells from the head to toes, each and every body is made of cells. So these cells are configured in different forms. Each configuration leads to a specific part of the organ. So here in the head, we got the skull, the hair, and we got the brain cells. So these are all made of cells in a specific configuration. and eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, and heart, throat, bones, all these things, each and every physical part of the body is made of cells, and cells in a different, each and every specific configuration, and this configuration forms into chemicals. So the entire body is made of different kinds of chemicals because of the molecular combination, the configuration. So you cannot use a medicine which is used for eyes for the heart. So because the configuration and the chemical composition at each part of the body is different. But this chemical composition, why it is getting degenerated, is mainly because the cells, the energy in the cells, when it becomes negative, it gets started degenerating. So now first thing what you have to do is we have to cleanse already negativity in the cells so that and improve the immunity power from the external side. And later on, once you go to the next level of cleansing, it will automatically take care of the reverse process also, whereby the entire body, because once we enter it into the inner body, that is from Annamaya Kosha, we have entered into Pranamaya Kosha, then entered Manoanmaya Kosha, then enter into Jnana and Anandamaya Kosha. So each level you have to cleanse and go inside. So now we are going to do the first stage. So now what you are going to do is in Atma Siddhi Yoga. What is Atma Siddhi Yoga is here Atma, we are visualizing Atma in a form of a Jyoti, flame. So if you see flame, Atma we cannot see basically. Atma is an infinite dimension body. So Atma basically, when the Atma is there in the body, what is happening in this physical body? There is a heat in the body, and this heat, and Atma is an infinite dimension. That's why we cannot touch the Atma. So say like infinite dimension. So that the flame, since it is infinite dimension, we can't catch it, and it gives, there is heat in the flame, and it gives light. What is light? Light refers to life. Light refers to knowledge. So when the flame is not flickering, the flame will be sharp and sharp edged. So that shows if our mind is undisturbed, our intellectual knowledge will be sharp. So that's why in this Atma Jyoti, you can see the golden flame inside the black, the pyramid shape, hemispherical base. This is called Paramatma. So inside our Jivatma, there is Paramatma is inside us, who is as the base. So that's why we consider Atma, we as ourselves in the form of a Jyoti. Because Atma Siddhi Yoga means what? Atma is the Karta of our physical body, and it has to get released from all the karmas so that it merges into the Paramatma. That is the ultimate objective of human birth. But because of our buddhi being dragged by external factors, it gets all the negative gunas, which leads to accumulation of karma on one side, and it leads to degeneration of negativity in the energy levels of the chakras, that leads to degeneration of cells in the physical body. So what we are going to use the same Atma, the Karta, as the base. Here the Atma is going to do to cleanse all these five kosas and take the Atma to the Supreme Self, to the Atma Samadhi Dhyana at the end. So now using this Atma Jyoti, we are going to cleanse our negativity in the cells. So what we are going to do is, here in this step, it involves, so Atma Jyoti is in the Anahata Chakra. So we are going to take this Atma Jyoti from Anahata Chakra to the Sahasrara Chakra. So from head to toes, we are going to use this Atma Jyoti flame to burn all the negativity in the cells. So by chanting the mantra Om, you just visualize. Here, as I told you, we are using the psychological technique, what is called positive self-imaging and positive self-hypnosis. These two are most powerful psychological tools we are going to use. So here in the positive self-imaging, what we are going to do is, we are going to visualize this Atma Jyoti is going to cleanse all the negativity in the cells. Visualize the cells from head to toes and see that this Atma Jyoti enters into each cell and burns all the negativity. This is positive self-imaging. Visualize that on chanting Om, you visualize that all the negativity in the cells from head to toes is gradually being burnt all negativity is burned by the Atma Jyoti. So you are using your Atma, the Karta, to cleanse all the negativity in the physical body. Okay, ultimately, it is the thing which is going to use this body as a tool. So visualize, chanting mantra Om, visualize from head to toes, it cleanses. By sitting in the calm place, you visualize, close your eyes, visualize the Atma Jyoti moving from head to toes and cleansing, burning all the negativity in the cells from head to toe. So so when it moves from head, it slowly burns all the negativity in the cells. Chant the mantra Om, 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 and all the negativity gets grounded. So again you move up. Again you start from the head. Om, 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 Om. So by this way, you do this for 9 times. So that all the negativity, visualize that you are burning all the negativity in the cells and you are grounding all the negativity to the bottom. And now you take a deep breath. Now you are inhaling the cosmic energy, and with this cosmic energy, now exhale. When you exhale, visualize that you are cleansing all the left out negativity in the cells, and like a hose pipe, you are using water, no? When you for cleansing the dirt, the hose pipe, you are just removing all the dirt of negativity in the cells, and it gets grounded through the physical body at the bottom. So like this, you just do this 3 times. 9 times you burn the negativity in the cells, and 3 times you visualize a hose pipe with that, using your cosmic energy, see that all the negativity has been cleansed and it is grounded at the bottom. So this is the step for body cleansing. And after doing this, what you have to do is, now you have to improve your immunity power. For this, what you have to do is, you take a deep breath, hold the breath, and chant the mantra Om internally. Now what happens when you close both the nostrils? The cosmic energy what you have taken inside, it now will try to come out, but since there is no avenue to come out, it feeds all the cells from head to toes. It goes and feeds all the cells from head to toes fully with the cosmic energy from head, so that all the cells, because when the air is blown inside the balloon, what happens is expands, no? Like that, each cell, the cosmic energy which doesn't have the where to go out, it feeds all the available space from head to toes, and the entire cells all gets full and cosmic energy filled with it, and the binding force between the cosmic each and every cells becomes more stronger, and this builds our immunity power. That's why the Jonshin yogis, they hold the breath as much time as possible, so that it improves their immunity power stronger. So what you have to do is, take a deep breath, hold the breath as much time as possible, see that, visualize inside that each cell is getting filled with full cosmic energy, and it gets fully expanded, and so that all the cells get tightly held, and the binding force between the cells is becoming stronger and stronger and stronger, and you experience that your immunity power becoming stronger and stronger and stronger. So by this way, you are cleansing all the negativity in the cells and expanding the cells and improving your immunity power. This makes your body like a steel, where any negative forces from outside cannot hit and it cannot damage the cells. So this is the second step. Practice this in a very simple way. Then we will say next step. Thank you.